In this problem, we are going to convert negative 12 comma 4, which is a vector, into polar form. Step 1. Find the radial distance of the vector, and that is this point to the origin. And to do that, we simply use the Pythagorean theorem. For x, we're going to use negative 12, and for y, we're going to use 4. We take the square of them, add them together, and take the square root. And that will get us the square root of 160. Now, in terms of a decimal, that is 12.649 and so on. But we're going to leave it as 12.6 since they say to round to the nearest tenth. Step 2. Find the degree and then adjust to reflect the quadrant location of the vector. So to find the degree from the origin to that point, we can use the formula of the negative tangent or the inverse tangent of y over x. So we take 4 over negative 12, take the inverse tangent of that, and that gets us negative 18.434 and so on. And that's the degree of the vector. However, our vector here, negative 12 comma 4, is in the second quadrant, and negative 18 is in the fourth quadrant. So we need to find the second quadrant equivalent of that. So to do that, we can simply add pi to it. So we take our degree, add pi, and that will get us 161.565 degrees, and this is in the second quadrant. So now we have our degree, and I'm going to round that off to the nearest tenth. And then now that we have our radial distance and the degree, then we have our polar form. And together they represent 12.6 for the radial distance, and the degree is 161.6 degrees. And this completes our problem.